Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Khushwant Kaur and I will be your instructor for this video. This video is for B.Ed students on the course Pedagogy of School Subject English, and the topic covered in this video is Importance of Teaching English. The topics which will be covered in this video are listed as. Let's begin with the topic Importance of Teaching English. In this video, we will discuss about the reasons and factors which show the importance of English language for the students. Language is the first medium used by the people to share their thoughts and informations with other people. There is a lot of languages people can speak around the world. People belong to different places and regions speak their own languages. Most of the countries and regions have their own one national language and their people can speak other languages. The English language is the most popular and common language in the world. The importance of teaching English in India as a modern foreign language lies in the following points which are shown on the slide. Number 1. English language as a global language. Global language means the language which is spoken internationally around the world. The language which people can easily understand and speak around the world. The English language becomes the most common, useful and native language of most of the countries. In many cases, the English language helps people from different aspects. Most of the books, comics published in English language that all people easily understand and read it. Every country and regions have their own national language and sub-languages. It is very difficult to learn and understand every language because there are many languages in the world. For communication with people all over the world, English language is the common language and it is very important to learn. The English language is the most common and understandable language of the world. The English language helps us to communicate with our friends, companies, and other people easily around the world. Second point, English language, its educational importance. English is a direct medium of acquiring knowledge of modern arts, science, humanities, technology, etc. It is equally important for statesmen and politicians, scientists and doctors, engineers and educationists, businessmen and research workers. They enrich their knowledge and experience by reading English books and journals. Consequently, they contribute to the progress of their country. In many countries, children are taught and encouraged to learn English as a second language. Almost 90% educational subjects are written in English. Number of scientific innovations and books are written in English language. The importance of the English language as a second language means that how the English language is important for those people whose native language is not English. The English language opens a lot of opportunities for them. They learn to speak English language to study or for job purposes internationally. In today's modern world, the English language becomes the basic language of education. All over the world, the English language is the main language of the study of every education system. For the students, it's very important to learn and understand the English language for further study. In most of the schools, colleges, and universities, the education is in the English language. Most of the students want to go to foreign countries to study. Survival without understanding and speaking the English language in foreign countries is very difficult. So learning the English language is very important for those students who want to study in foreign countries. Most of the science subjects and upcoming technology and inventions are in the English language. Almost all kinds of medical science books are written in the English language. For study and learning those books, understanding the English language is very important. All kinds of medical laboratory devices and gadgets are in the English language. For doing practical works and using medical devices and gadgets, understanding the English language is very important. Civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, for all types of engineering, English language is very important. Most of the engineering books are written in the English language. For understanding and learning engineering books, practical works, laws understanding, the English language is very important. So these are the reasons and factors by which we can say the English language is very important for the students in education. Third point, English language, its vocational importance. English is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increases our chances of getting job in multinational companies within our home country or of finding work abroad. People who can speak and understand the English language can easily get a job in different kinds of big and international companies. People who can understand and speak the English language can grab the opportunity of teaching in different schools, colleges, and universities. People who can write and understand English can easily grab the opportunity of writing in newspapers and magazines. Fourth point, English language, its cultural importance. English widens one's cultural and intellectual horizon. It develops scientific, technical, and commercial relations with other countries. It imparts a knowledge of foreign nations and cultures. It further requires mutual understanding and cooperation. Fifth point, English language, its disciplinary importance. A study of English enables a person to compare and contrast the good and bad things of his country with those of other nations. So he requires a new insight into various resources of thought and expression. Number 6, English language, its recreational importance. The English language is the language of entertainment, which means nowadays the most of films and dramas are made in the English language. Books and journals, stories are also written in the English language. Different kinds of games are made in the English language. People like to play different kinds of games which is made in the English language. The English language is the official language of the entertainment world. Most of the entertainment things are made in the English language. Seventh point, English language is the language of internet. Understanding the English language gives access to the people more and more internet. It is the universal language of the internet. Most of the search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo are in the English language. Almost 80% of the content available on the internet is in the English language. Eighth point, English language helps in travel. English language helps a lot with travel because we go anywhere, people can speak and understand the English language. People who can understand and speak the English language can easily make bookings of hotels and other kinds of bookings, and ordering food, etc. can be done easily. Language is the basic media for communicating, sharing, and expressing our thoughts and feelings to others. We can interact and communicate with other travelers come from other places around the world in the English language. So, speaking and understanding the English language enables us to go for travel independently. Ninth point, English language helps in business. English language helps us in any business venture we decide to do. If we visit any office, company, government organization, or even in any company, we will see the importance of English. Every large company will employ their professional staff after confirming whether employing people with good knowledge of English or not. Companies that they want to work at international level will consider their staff well educated only if they are speakers, writers, and good readers of English. Communication is very keen role in any field, whether it is business, medicine, transportation, technology, trade, or marketing. English is globally accepted and known by all. Globalization covers all aspects of life. Without proper communication, it is not possible to be in connection. Most of the people around the world, around 380 million people, consider English as their first language. Two-thirds of them prefer it as a second language. In addition, billions of people are in the process of learning. Therefore, it is important to know how English language will unite people. It is a universally accepted language. So we can say English is essential to work. It is the universal language. It will open the door of new cultures. It is a global language. Studying English can help us get a job. Many scientific papers are written in English. English is the language of media industry. It is the language of internet. English is one of the most important languages for business. With English, we can study all over the world, and English gives us access to multiple cultures. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.